Okay, sound test number 7. I've now turned the microphone volume down slightly. The internal microphone's down to 0. It has been for all of my sound tests so far. I've now turned the external microphone down to half volume, hoping to minimise the wind, still pick up my voice. Not sure how it's going to go, obviously, until I get back and test it. But I might put this one up on YouTube anyway, just to show that I am doing some tests. And battling along. I'll be honest, it's getting quite frustrating. But we will get there. Just an ongoing battle at the moment. It's frustrating with the way my work's set up. I work FIFO, so I'm 2 on 1 roster, 2 weeks away, 1 week at home. Not getting this right on my week off, it makes for the 2 weeks at work to be very, very frustrating because I can't do any more testing while I'm up there. But when I do get home, such as days like today, and it's weather like this, which is absolutely beautiful, it's hard to get frustrated when you have to go out time and time again to do test after test, trying to get the right mix of everything. Oh, what's going on here? Flunker. Obviously didn't learn how to reverse when he was doing his driving licence. Anyway, he'll be on YouTube. How not to pull out of a driveway when you've got a traffic island right next to it. What an idiot. Yeah man, I'm talking about you. Looks like he's sneezing or something. Who knows? Hello. Nice little bit of eye candy. Never goes astray. Alright, so anyway, we'll go for a quick blast up here. Hopefully get up to 100 and test what it'll sound like along a freeway. Not with this dickhead in front of us, so we won't, I don't think. Might just back it off and let him go, and then I can give it a kick in the guts. So this is at 40 kilometres an hour. La-di-da-di-da. Bit of roadwork ahead, we'll get up now. See how we go at 100. So we're now at 100, and obviously a lot of wind, but hopefully it's not too bad. As I said, the microphone is down to half now, or half volume. That's through the Contour wrap. Oh, great. Good days. Now we get to learn where this road goes. Loving the roadworks they're doing at the moment, all over the place. Anyway, alright, I'll switch off now, because I think that's about long enough for YouTubians out there. As I said, hopefully it's worked, and worked pretty well. regardless of whether it has or not. It's going up on YouTube, so thanks to all of those that watched my first video. I'll go home now, crack open a coldie, and make a little movie out of this, and see how the wind noise goes. Just gonna let him know that he's a dickhead. And you gotta love it when a bus turns, when they know that you're turning in there as well. But anyway, until next time, stay safe, stay upright, stay on two wheels. You've been watching Thirst on Wheels. We'll see you again next time. Ciao for now.